Now let's talk about the overall study planning for your exam. So depending upon your baseline English language understanding, you may be requiring like 10 days to 14 days or maybe a month for your OET exam preparation. So for me, it took me like 14 days to prepare for the exam, but I have seen people like taking 1 month to prepare for the exam. So it really depends upon person to person. But I believe that a person is having like baseline English proficiency and understanding of the language. If the person have studied medicine in English, so it will be like 1 month is more than enough for you to prepare for the exam. So when you start preparing for the OET exam, what you need to do is you need to do like practice of 2 listening subtests daily and 2 reading subtests daily. So if you start like this, like you do complete 2 reading subtests and 2 listening subtests, like for 1 week you just do listening and reading subtest, like in 7 days you have gone through like 13 to 14 subtests for the listening and reading, and after that you start writing letters, and after like writing 8 to 9 letters, and try to get like 3 to 4 letters checked from like any expert or any person who have cleared the OET exam. And like after practicing for 8 to 9 role play cards, that will be the good enough preparation for you to just go and sit in the OET exam and clear it. And by saying this, that pretty much wrap up this crash course on how to study and prepare for the OET exam. I really hope this course helped you in clearing your OET exam, and if it really helped, do comment down below on this course and let me know what was the most useful or the game changer tip, any technique or strategies that you find in this video. And if you want me to expand more or do a deep dive in any of the technique or strategy that I mentioned in this video, I will do that in another video as well. Until then, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.